Now that we have a good understanding of what large language models, LLMs, are and their impact, let's dive a little deeper. In this section, we're going under the hood of LLMs to explore how these models actually work. We'll break down the key components and mechanisms that enable LLMs to generate such impressive and human-like text. This part will give us a clearer picture of the technology driving tools like ChatGPT and help us appreciate the complexity and innovation that goes into these models. By the end of this section, you'll have a better grasp of the inner workings of LLMs, making the magic behind AI a bit more tangible.